Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to play YouTube in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Chrome app on your smartphone and in the search bar, just search youtube.com. Now as you can see, we have successfully opened the web version of the YouTube app on our Chrome web browser. Now from here, just open any video. Now from here, just tap on the three dots of your Chrome web browser, then select desktop site. Now as you can see, we have successfully opened the web version of the YouTube app on our smartphone. Now just play the video in your YouTube app, and from here just go to your home screen. After that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And from here, you will have the option to play the YouTube video in the background. Now as you can see, you will have to pair your band again after performing the factory reset. Now just tap on done. And this is how you can restore default. And this is how you can play YouTube video in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.